Okay, hello, good day. This is Robert Castellano here, and today we'll be showing you how to set up Windows deployment services. Now, firstly, we'll go to our Start menu and go to our Server Manager, because this would be one of the roles that we'll be adding to our Windows server. Okay, scroll down here, and we add role. Click Next, and we highlight our Windows deployment services. Just ticked. Okay, next. Make sure that the deployment server as well as the transport server are both ticked because they would both be used. Next. And now we install. Okay, now that Windows deployment has been successfully installed, press close, and then now we should see that the role has been added for Windows deployment. There it is. Exit. We go to our Start menu and we go to Administrative Tools and look for Windows Deployment Services, and we look for our servers, and we have our Robert server. Now it's not configured yet, so we need to configure our server. Here we press Next. Remote installation folder location, and we will change that from the C drive to the new volume E that has been pre-created just for this purpose. Name that remote install. This will be making a folder within my new hard drive E for the Windows deployment services. I need to take these two, press Next, respond to all known and unknown client computers, finish. And now we are going to add images to Windows deployment server now, and pressed. Okay, now that we have completed that, we are going to add our install images and our boot images. So firstly, we'll add our install image. Since there is none, we'll add install image. Name of the group, deploy. Next, and now we're going to search for our files. Go to sources. Here we will see our install file, my computer sources. My computer, you go to your disk drive and you go to the sources and the install file, press Next, and just we tick the ones we would want to use, which would be Windows Ultimate, the 86-bit. Press Next and Next, and here it will be adding the image file for it. Okay, so our install image has been successfully added. Now we click finish, and here we can see it shows up when it's online, and name deploy. Now we're going to add our boot image. Same way we browse my computer, the drive, sources, and the boot. And press next. And we're going to name this Windows Boot. And press next, next, and it will be adding the boot image for our OS. And our boot image has been successfully added. Now we press finish. Our image files and our boot images, our installed images and our boot images have all been successfully installed. You can minimize this, and now we go to our newly created VM and we go to some settings. We go to system, and we're going to boot from the network. Next we go to network. Okay, now we go to network and make sure that our network adapter is set to host only and that it is allowed everyone. Press OK, and now we start up on Windows 7, and here it should boot directly from our deployment services without adding an ISO file. Here we can see that it's pulling directly from our 192.168 server. Now that we can see that all the files are being loaded, this shows that our deployment is successfully working, and when it is finished loading, you carry on with your installation as normal. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye.